y'all, it's the girl Ayana Alicia, and we are back with another video. Sorry if you guys hear some noise in the background. I am washing clothes, so if you hear any of the loud noises, that's what that is. But today we are doing another press on nail video. I know it has been a little minute since I've done a press on nail video for you guys, but I am doing another one for you. So we are partnering with CurvLife. We have done, I think we've done press on nails from CurvLife before, and I actually do love the nail designs and things that CurvLife has to offer. But today we are using their new glue. I don't know if it's new, actually. Let me not say new. I don't know if it's new or if they're just trying to get more people to look into this particular glue. But we will be using this particular glue from CurvLife. It is a quick drying without UV or LED light. I'm assuming it's a gel glue, since it's saying that you don't need the the UV light or anything like that. So from the picture of it, it does look like it's going to be like a gel consistency. Yeah, it is. It's like a gel consistency. So I'm excited to try this and see like how the durability of it is. So it basically says like you just do the same thing like if you was using regular nail glue. Just apply it to the nail bed or the nail and just spread it through and hold it for 15 seconds and it should dry. And you shouldn't have to use no UV light or anything like that. So I'm excited to try it. And then I will test it out and see how long that actually lasts with me just doing my normal everyday thing just to see how long it lasts. And then they also sent me two boxes of nails to try, which I love getting nails from them. I am going to order some more nails from them. But I chose this design. And then I also chose just a normal white tip set. I think I want to do the black set because it's so cute. So I have already prepped my nails. I am just going to add some acetone. I'm going to apply some acetone to my nail beds, and then I'm going to go ahead and start sizing and prepping. So if you want to see this, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so like I said, I already prepped my nails prior to starting, so I'm just showing you guys what comes into the packaging. So everything that comes in is, of course, your alcohol pad and then the dry wipe. You do have the stickers, the glue stickers that come. You have your nail buffer. They also include the glue in the nail package and the little stick thing that you can use to push the cuticles and things like that. So here I am just sizing up each nail, seeing which nail is going to fit on which nail, and then from there we're just going to go through and continue on with this. Like I said, it does not take me long to do this at all. It's a fairly quick process. Once I don't got everything sized up, it doesn't take no time at all for me to complete this nail look. The one thing that I will say about this particular glue is that it's like a gel consistency, like I said, so it does tend to stick and get on your hands when you're using it. And this was my first time using it, so it was a little hard for me to, not hard, but you know, I had to get used to the glue being everywhere. But once I got the hang of it, I did like it. I have had this current set of nails on that I did in this video. I've had it on for a week so far and no nail has popped off, so I think this is going to be another go-to glue that I use from here on out. But yeah, the nails turned out cute. Continue watching to the end so you can see what the nails look at the end. But there is a coupon code that you can use, and the coupon special 20, and you can get 20% off your purchase when you buy from CurvLife. So I do thank you guys for watching this. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, rate, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next press on video. Bye.